Okay, we are learning how to find variance in Excel. Now, if you've looked through this chapter, you'll know variance and standard deviation are related. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. So if you have a standard deviation and you square it, so you times it by itself, you're back to variance. Most of the time, you're just going to be looking for the standard deviation, but we're going to quickly go over variance right now. Now, the trick we learned last week, and hopefully you realize here, click to copy to clipboard, and we're going to copy our data over into Excel. And to find the variance, we're going to go to formulas, more formulas, statistical, and we're going to go down to variance. And I need variance of a sample, and my data is A1 through A6, so I put that in, click OK. So there's my variance. 80.3, I'm going to go back here, put in 80.3, click check answer, and that's our answer. Now if you've looked at the book, you will know that the formula for variance and standard deviation is incredibly long and daunting and looks like a lot of work. You'll notice Excel did this instantaneously. Use Excel. If you want to do mean by hand, go ahead and do it. Really, don't trouble yourself. Take the easy way and use Excel for standard deviation. I'm not going to ask you for variance on the project on part 3, but I am going to ask you for standard deviation.